What if I told you? The rich don't avoid debt, they depend on it. They borrow millions, pay no taxes, and get richer every single year. While most people drown in debt, the wealthy use it like a cheat code to build wealth. I'll show you exactly how the rich use debt to build massive wealth, legally avoid taxes, and scale their empire. Even starting from zero. Yes, you can start with $0. Let's break it down. Good debt versus bad debt first. Let's clear up a lie we've all been told. All debt is bad. That's just not true. Bad debt is debt that takes money out of your pocket, like credit cards, car loans, and high interest payments. White heavy checkmark good debt is debt that puts money into your pocket, like real estate loans, business loans, or borrowing to invest in income-producing assets. Example, buy a rental property, using a loan, pay the mortgage with tenant rent, keep the cash flow every month. The power of leverage here is what separates the rich from everyone else. Leverage. Leverage means using other people's money to grow wealth. Let's say you've got $0, but you understand how to use an FHA loan. You can still get a $300,000 property, which is 3.5% down, or you partner with an investor. They bring the money, you bring the deal. That's real. That's leverage. And it's how the rich build fast. How the rich avoid taxes using debt. Here's the craziest part. The rich don't just use debt to grow. They use it to avoid paying taxes. Most people earn, spend, and get taxed. The rich, they borrow money. And debt isn't taxed. Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos borrow billions against their stock. No sales equals no capital gains equals no taxes. Real estate investors refinance, pull out tax-free cash, and reinvest over and over again. That's how they stay rich. Isn't that risky? Now, let's be real. Debt is dangerous if you use it wrong. But here's the difference. The rich only borrow to buy cash-flowing assets. The poor borrow to buy stuff, cars, clothes, vacations. The rich borrow to buy things that pay them back every month. Tip: only borrow at fixed low interest rates, never borrow to consume. Borrow to invest, make sure the asset pays for itself. How do you start using smart debt strategies? Even with $0 in the bank? Step 1. Learn the rules. Study real estate, credit, and income-producing assets. Step 2. Build your credit. Your first leverage tool. Step 3. Use low or no money down strategies. FHA loans, 3.5% down. VA/USDA loans, 0% down if you qualify. House hacking. Live in one unit. Rent the rest, partner with investors. Your hustle plus their cash. You don't need money. You need knowledge, credit, and a plan. The wealthy don't just earn more. They think differently. They use debt to grow wealth, avoid taxes, and create freedom. You don't have to be born rich to do what they do. You just have to learn the strategy and start moving. Comment below if you want to drop a full breakdown of how to buy real estate with no money. Hit that subscribe button for more real talk from Mickey Flows. If this opened your mind, thanks for watching. Now go think like the rich.